Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we'll be discuss about this keyword in Java. This keyword in Java. So where to use this keyword, how to use this keyword, and why to use this keyword in Java. We will just solving this problem. So first, let me remove these two which we have coded earlier, and just remove this logic from here. I just want to print a num1 value, like I'm assigning this local variable to our num1 and num2 values. So this is b. So point, remember, this one is called instance scope, and these two variables is called instance variable or local or global variable, or you can say like these two are global variable, which we can access these two variable in our whole class. And these two variables inside this constructor is called local variable. Local variable. Okay, I'm just assigning a and b value to num1 and num2, and just try to print that num1 and num2 values. Num1, num1, and I think you all guys know how to print variable value which is in another class using object. So obj.num1, and just try to print num2 object num2. Just save this and run this. You can see we are getting 5 6, which is right. Okay, so let me just show you one more example. Like this num1 is pointing my instance variable, and this a is pointing my local variable. You can see same color num1 and num1 inside this method, num1 color, and outside this method, like outside of this method, num1 color is same. I am saying method, like you can relate if we are using constructor yet, so I am talking about constructor, don't get confused. So, and if I will change my local variable names as my global variable names, let's see what will happen. I am just changing my values to num1 and num2, which num1 same as my global variable, and just save this. You can see color have changed now. Num1 color is get brown, same as local variable color. So now, but I want to just point left side of variable is will point like num1, and I want right side of the variable will point local variable. So but in this case this is pointing the local variable, not global variable. Let's run this. You can see we are getting 0 0 values because of this. So if I want to solve this problem, what should I do now? Like we need to use this keyword. If you will use this keyword in this scenario, like it will just, and after using this you can see color of the num1 and outside the constructor color of num1 is same. Currently it is pointing global variables, not my local variables. So if you have the same variable name as our global variable name, then you have to use this keyword. If your local variable's name is not same as global variable name, then you don't need to use this keyword. So we are using this keyword in this case. Let's save this and run this. You can see we are getting 5 and 6. So there are a lot more examples, like in real world when we are creating any services, and inside that services we are performing some operations using methods, and we want to just call that method inside the same class. We will just use this keyword and to point that particular method which is in the same class. So that is another scenario, and we will discuss about that later. So point, remember, like these two are called instance variable or local global variable, and is which is inside our constructor parameter, or you can say method parameter, is called local variable. And we are assigning, if you are using same name of local variable as our global variable, then we should use this keyword. If that is not the case, then you don't need to use this keyword. And you can say this one is called current object. Current object. current object. So these all are good question which you will like an interview when any interviewer will ask you. So don't forget these and try to solve more problems related to this keyword and try to solve it. I will also give some problems in my description so you can check and try to solve that problems. So this is all about this keyword. So that's all for this video. Thank you.